Welcome to Carnivore Found Me. You know, guys, I've made a lot of videos on carnivore, how to become a carnivore, just different things to eat. But I never ever really talked to you about how to actually start carnivore. You know, there's various ways you can start carnivore, and people start it for various different reasons. You know, some people, they'll ease into it. Some people will jump right in. You have some people, they'll start by first stopping all the sweets. They'll stop eating sweets, and then they'll move to maybe stopping the processed foods. And then they'll move to maybe taking away all carbs, which would be the fruits and the vegetables, and they'll end up being carnivore. For me, it was different. And you know, let's talk about the different reasons people start carnivore. Some people start carnivore because they want to lose weight. Some people start carnivore for health reasons. Now, health reason happened to be not why I started carnivore, because I didn't know anything about carnivore. I found carnivore when I was on my healing journey. And if you would go to my playlist and you'll learn about my journey and how I got into carnivore, you'll see that I knew nothing about carnivore. I just happened to start eating bacon and eggs and feeling better, and I continued to eat it for 3 weeks because it was the only thing that made me feel a little bit better. Now, it didn't totally cure me or anything, but I started feeling better. I was able to sleep. And some of the issues that I was suffering from went away. And so that's how I started investigating, and somehow I came across this carnivore community, and I ended up being carnivore because I started learning more about it. So I am going to share with you 7 simple steps on how to start carnivore. So let's watch this together, you guys.
This video is about 7 simple steps to starting a carnivore diet. This is about reaping some serious health benefits. We're talking increased energy, mental clarity, and potentially saying goodbye to those extra pounds. In this video, I'm guiding you with a comprehensive, easy-to-follow guide to starting the carnivore diet in 2024. Trust me, by the end, you'll be ready to take on the challenge and make this year your healthiest yet. Let's do this. Before we get this carnivore party started, we need to prioritize your health. Before making any drastic changes, it's crucial to chat with your doctor or a registered dietitian to ensure the carnivore diet aligns with your needs. All right. Now that we're cleared to explore the carnivore world, let's talk goals. What are you hoping to achieve with this diet? Write it down and make sure your goals are realistic and achievable. Start small, focus on consistency, and celebrate those small victories along the way. Let's break down the basics of the carnivore diet. We're ditching the carbs, sugars, and plant-based foods, embracing high-quality meats, poultry, fish, and eggs. The idea is to fuel your body with nutrient-dense foods packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. Meal planning is your secret weapon to staying on track. Plan your meals for the week ahead of time to always have something delicious and carnivore-friendly ready to go. Experiment with different cuts of meat, spices, and cooking methods to keep things interesting. Hydration is key. Water is essential for every bodily function, especially on a carnivore diet. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to support digestion, flush out toxins, and keep your energy levels up. Bone broth is a fantastic way to add flavor and electrolytes. Listen to your body and monitor your health. As we always say here at Carnivore Found Me, be the CEO of your own health. Pay attention to how your body responds to this way of eating. Keep a journal to track your progress. Don't hesitate to reach out to your healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Find your tribe. Connect with fellow carnivores. Share your experiences and find motivation from others who understand the journey you're on. Having a support system can make all the difference. Your carnivore adventure awaits. There you have it, your ultimate guide to starting the carnivore diet in 2024. Be patient with yourself, listen to your body, and adjust things as needed. Share your thoughts, questions, and recipe ideas in the comments below. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Here's to a happy, healthy, and carnivore-licious 2024.
So, you guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Always remember that what works for one person may not work for another. Just because carnivore works for me, it may not work for you. Just like vegan may work for you, but it did not work for me. And so just remember, be the CEO of your own health. Now wait, before we get going, right down there, hit that like button for me, and then comment, subscribe, and please share. Thank you.